Welcome to Hoover Dam Lodge. You can easily book your stay by scanning the QR code on screen or find all the details in the description box below. Nestled in the stunning Nevada landscape, this 4-star hotel provides a fantastic base for exploring the iconic Hoover Dam and enjoying a comfortable getaway. Check-in starts at 4 p.m., giving you plenty of time to settle in, and you can enjoy your stay until checkout at 11 a.m. A major perk for families is that children aged 3 to 12 stay free, making it a great option for those traveling with kids. The lodge features a variety of well-appointed rooms, ensuring a restful stay after a day of sightseeing or adventure. Don't forget to visit the spa for a chance to relax and rejuvenate with massages and facials. Hoover Dam Lodge offers a comfortable stay with easy access to a world-famous attraction, perfect for making unforgettable memories. Remember to scan the QR code to book your stay at Hoover Dam Lodge today.